Hello, it's Nick, and in this video I will show you how to create language localization in Figma. I will use local variables and create two modes of this screen: English mode and Spanish mode. Here you can see text in English and Spanish for the different sections of this screen, such as product title, description, pricing, and call to action label. Let's click Local Variables and create a new variable. Choose string from this list. The first variable will be the title. For our English version, it will be short dress. Click plus to add another mode. This will be a Spanish translation of the title, short dress. Let's rename generic mode 1 and mode 2 to Spanish and English. We need to add a few more variables. Click Create Variable at the bottom of this window and choose String from the list. Name this variable size and copy and paste the English and Spanish texts. Add another string variable. This time it will be color. And copy and paste English and Spanish texts. When it comes to localization, sometimes designers forget that different regions have different currencies. In our example, Spanish version of the screen will have a different currency, euro. The next variable is description. As you can see, the description is multi-line text. But Figma string variable can accommodate longer texts. Finally, let's add a variable for the button label. At this point, we have a table with text in two languages. Give this collection a name, localization. Close the window. And now we can safely delete the text in English and Spanish that we used as a reference, because we have a collection of the strings in our local variables. Now we need to assign the variables we've created to text in our mocks. Select the title, and in the text section, click Apply Variable icon. Here you can see the entire collection of strings that we've created. Select Title, and you can see this variable is now assigned and visible in the text section. Do the same operation with size, color, product name, price, description, and call to action label. Time to test our design. Create a new frame and give it a name English. Add a text element to this frame. And in text properties of this element, click Apply Variable. Click plus to create a new variable. And give it a name Localization. This will allow us to switch between the two language modes that we have. Let's hide this text element in our frame. And now, when we select entire frame, we will see Change Variable Mode icon in Layer section. When we click on this icon, we will see a drop-down with two languages, English and Spanish. I've selected English for this frame. Create a copy of this frame and rename it to Spanish. Select Spanish in variable modes. Now, when we drag our mock to English frame, nothing changes, because the text is already in English. But when we drag the same mock to the Spanish frame, the text adapts to this mode, and we see Spanish texts. In fact, you can switch between two modes in real time, simply by changing layer property localization. You can choose either English or Spanish from the drop-down. That's all. Let me know what you think about this approach in the comments. Thank you.